Wouldn't it be great if your web visitors saw a pop-up every time you received a 5-star review on your socials? Or instead of spreading the reviews all over the web page, what if you tuck them all behind a badge? Well, WP Social Ninja users asked for these features. Introducing Notification Stream feature. With this feature, show off your social proof and gain your users' trust easily. Position the review notifications, show or hide them on specific pages, or even play with the review templates when users click on the notifications. But that's not all. You may not want to bother your users with a page full of reviews, while you're also dying to show off your testimonials and seal the deal. Well, we have a solution for that. Introducing Badge Layout Style. With this feature, your social reviews won't eat up your whole web real estate. It will just sit in one corner and when clicked, it will open the magic box. Pretty neat, huh? And it comes with tons of customization features too. So, what's stopping you? Get WP Social Ninja now and win over more customers every day.